Hello, in this video, we'll show you how to create a Facebook page for your business. First, go to Facebook and make sure you're logged in. Then click on the profile icon at the top right corner. After that, click on See All Profiles, and here you'll see an option to create new profile or page. Next, select the public page option. You'll also see personal profile, but choose public page and then click Next. Now you'll be shown some useful options like using advanced profile tools, assigning access to others, getting insights, and reaching more people. Click Get Started to proceed. Here, enter your page name, which could be your business name or anything relevant. Then choose the category that best describes your business. You can add multiple categories if necessary. After that, enter a bio that gives a short description of what your business is about. Once you've entered this information, click on Create Page. Now you can enter additional details like your website if you have one. Next, choose your country code and enter your phone number. After that, enter your email address, location like address, city, town, zip code, and any other relevant contact information. Here you'll also see an option to set your business hours. You can choose from no hours available, always open, or open in selected hours. After selecting the appropriate option, click Next. Now it's time to personalize your page. You can upload a profile picture and a cover photo for your business. Once that's done, click Next again. Here you can also connect your WhatsApp account to the page by adding your WhatsApp phone number, which makes it easier for customers to reach you. Then you'll have the option to invite friends to like and follow your new business page. Now turn on the toggle to receive marketing and promotional emails about your page and click Done. Your Facebook business page is now successfully created and ready to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy to follow tips and tricks.